In artificial intelligence, planning refers to the process of generating a sequence of actions or steps to achieve a desired goal or objective, typically in the context of an autonomous agent or system. Planning involves reasoning about the current state of the environment, the available actions, and their potential consequences to create a plan that achieves the desired outcome efficiently and effectively. Here's an overview of planning in artificial intelligence. 1. Goal specification. Planning begins with specifying the goal or objective that the system aims to achieve. Goals can range from simple tasks, such as moving an object from one location to another, to complex objectives, such as assembling a piece of furniture or navigating a maze. 2. State representation. The current state of the environment is represented in terms of relevant features, variables, or predicates that describe the situation. This representation captures information about the locations of objects, their properties, the agent's capabilities, and any constraints or obstacles in the environment. 3. Action space. Planning involves considering the available actions that the agent can perform to manipulate the environment and achieve the goal. Actions are defined in terms of their preconditions, conditions that must be true for the action to be applicable, and effects, changes that result from performing the action. 4. Search and decision making. The planning algorithm explores the space of possible actions and sequences of actions to find a plan that transforms the current state into a state that satisfies the goal conditions. This typically involves searching through a tree or graph of possible action sequences, evaluating their feasibility and desirability, and selecting the best plan based on predefined criteria such as optimality, resource constraints, or preferences. 5. Plan execution. Once a plan is generated, the agent executes the sequence of actions in the environment, monitoring the state and adapting its actions as needed based on feedback and observations. Execution may involve dealing with uncertainty, dynamic changes in the environment, or unexpected events that arise during plan execution. Planning is a fundamental aspect of AI systems that operate in dynamic and uncertain environments, enabling them to reason about future states, anticipate consequences of actions, and make decisions to achieve their goals autonomously. Planning techniques are used in various applications, including robotics, autonomous vehicles, scheduling, logistics, and game playing.